Hi ma'am, hi sir, good morning. I'm Marilan Moses Pahilano. I'm from the Philippines and I'm 39 years old. I have two kids, age 17 and 18. I'm widowed for almost 14 years and then I decided to work abroad since 2007 in Singapore. In Singapore, I look after newly born baby for 3 years and then expat family for almost 5 years, ma'am. And I'm now here in Hong Kong since 2016, serving a Chinese family, and now I'm terminated because the kids have autism is growing up. I cannot handle it anymore. So my mom and sir decided to terminate me because they are the one who look after the kids already. So now I'm finding a new job, and then I hope you give me a chance, ma'am sir, to have interview, and I want to serve your family. And if you like me, ma'am sir, then I love kids, I like cooking. I can cook any kind of food, Asian, Chinese, Western food, ma'am, because I have already experience in cooking Western food. And then I love cooking also, ma'am sir. Thank you so much and have a good day, ma'am sir. God bless you.